how to fix Instagram map not showing issue. Open the Instagram app, go to profile and tap three dot menu. You will open settings, scroll down and tap about. If your version is outdated, the map feature might not appear. Go to Google Play Store and update Instagram to the latest version. Instagram map working best for public account. If your account is private, switch posts to public or consider using a professional account. Open your phone setting, scroll down and tap app and find Instagram, tap stories and clear cache. Then restart Instagram and check map. Instagram needs permission to access your location. Go back and tap permission and tap location and allow the location. Also make sure GPS or location is turned on your device. Inside Instagram, in the search bar type the place and tap place tab. Select a location and tap see more. If you skip this, the map may seem missing. If it's still not working, delete Instagram app and reinstall it from your Google Play Store and log in. This often fixes hidden bugs and missing features. The map should now show posts and stories tagged there. That's it. If your Instagram app is finally showing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.